Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog. In today's vlog, I'm going to review my Honda Activa. So let's get started. First, you all guys take a walk around view of the Honda Activa. So now I'm going to tell you some specifications about this Honda Activa. This Honda Activa is a 109cc scooter with 4-stroke in cylinder, and it produces 75 horsepower in 7500 rpm. The scooter doesn't have a disc brake, it is having a drum brake. The front setup means the indicators and headlights are all halogen bulbs, not LEDs. And this is the side profile of the Honda Activa. And this is the back profile, and all the indicators and the back tail lamp is all are halogen bulbs and not LEDs. This is the side profile of the Activa. This is the footrest, and this is the footrest, and this is the thing from which you can do kickstart the scooter. This is the side stand. This is the floor mat, which is little bit dirty, but it's okay. It's not a big issue. The center compartment has a decent amount of space. These are the VMs. This is totally analog. It's not a digital. These are the indicators. This is the fuel. This is the speedometer, and this is the odometer. These are the pass switch. These are the indicators. This is the horn. This is the headlight switch. The shell start. To open the seat, there is no any switch button, because we have to put this key here to open this. To open the seat, we have to put this key here and turn this and like this. So this is has the capacity of 18 liters. This is the fuel tank, and good plastic is used over here, and it's a first aid kit which is provided by Honda. And like this, we will close it and just do it. Now let's take a ride over this Honda Activa. So after a short ride, I feel that the scooter is in a perfect condition, because it doesn't hesitate to do a quick shift or a quick pickup, and it is a good thing, because it's a old scooter. Many people doesn't expect a good pickup from this type of scooters. I'm not saying because it's my own scooter, but as a rider, I can say that the scooter still has a good power. Activa is one of the best scooter from the beginning, means from the first model of the Activa. The Activa is one of the best selling scooter in India till now. Like from the first model till Activa 125 or the Activa 60, it is one of the best selling scooter in India. So let me end this video here, and if you like this video, please do hit that like button. And if you want to ask any questions or you have any other doubt, you can ask me in the comments. And if you like this video, like I was told already, I work again, I'm telling, and share it, and subscribe to my channel right now, because I'm going to tell you more. I'm going to bring more automobile vlogs and normal vlogs too. So let's meet in another vlog. Okay, bye.